I'm preparing our salad for dinner. There is the carrots finely chopped. There is more here. And we call this pipino in Philippines. But this is cucumber in English. There. It's almost ready, my salad for today, our lunch. I will add tuna later. There, I'm almost done. Here I am. Busy doing the slicing. I did not take the peeling and all the slicing of this because it takes so long. So now I'm almost done, and I will show how I prepared the salad, like the cucumber, carrots, apple, and tuna. This is our dinner. I just peeled it, but I did not show the peeling and all the slicing because it takes time. There you go. I'm doing this. I will try to finish this one. I'm not yet all done. So I will do the slicing. I will be done in few minutes. I will be done in few minutes. I will be done in few minutes. There is the slicing. I'm almost done with the slice. There you go. This is now the cucumber that I'm slicing to mix with the carrots. I'm slicing the cucumber now. I'm almost done. I try to make it so small, the cubes of the carrots. I made it very small cubes. But the cucumber, I made it a little bit bigger, the sizes. But the carrots, I made it very tiny, so it's easier to chew. There, it's done. I will do the apple now. It's faster to do the apples. Apple is almost ready. Almost done with the apples. It's faster to slice the apple. It's faster to slice this. The carrots is down. It takes time to slice the carrots because I made it thin. Careful, Gael.
Legit na?
Now I'm almost done with my apples. There is the apple. I made bigger the apples. It's only the carrots that I made it very tiny cubes. But for the apples and the cucumber, I made it bigger, so because they are stem, they are softer than the carrots. So doing the apple and the cucumber is easier. I'm almost done to do the mixing. I think I made it quite big, the apples. I tried to make it smaller. I'm almost done. This is our dinner because we just had McDonald's.
Gusto mo spaghetti?
We just had McDonald's for lunch, so we are eating a healthy dinner with apples, carrots, and cucumber. Our dinner is more healthy. We just had fun at the McDonald's for lunch. So this apple is so much healthier. Now I'm done. I'm going to mix it all. Here you go. I'm gonna get the mixer spoon, the big spoon. There you go. And with a big fork, I will mix now. There is my tuna. I will go and open my tuna. I have to do it fast because I'm now hungry. I'm hungry, so I will do the tuna. There is the tuna. I just removed the juice of the tuna. Now it's time to mix. It's time to mix the tuna. There you go. I added the tuna. There you go. That's the tuna and the carrots and the apples, and I will add the mayonnaise I should have added first the mayonnaise, but it's okay. I need to get the mayonnaise up here in the fridge. There is my there is the mayonnaise. I will add mayonnaise. This is the mayonnaise. I will go and get the there is the mayonnaise. I'm trying to mix the mayonnaise. I'm mixing the mayonnaise because I added already the apple. I need to add black pepper. I need to get the black pepper. I will get the black pepper. It's outside in my kitchen. I forgot to prepare. There is here outside my black pepper. There is the black pepper. I forgot to take it inside. So I need to come out here soon. I'm not well organized today, but that's okay. And I need to get the raisins too. I have my raisins. Where are you, my raisins? Oh, I hide my raisins from my grandson because he will finish it all. Here is my raisin. There is my raisins. There is the black pepper. There is the black pepper. I'm glad I did not forget to buy this. We still have this in stock today. There is the black pepper that I added. More black pepper. Huh? Yeah. Now I will add the raisins. I'm trying to add the raisins. There you go. This is how it looks now. With raisins. I just added the black pepper. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat this. I made plenty because we eat a lot of this. My bowl is almost full.
Paano lagyan ng sounds?
Wow! The raisins is so tasty because I added those raisins. So good, all of the ingredients. Think I will add more raisins. There you go. I add more raisins. I love my salad with raisins. Wow. Thank you for watching, guys. I need to put in the fridge to make it cooler. So happy to have all these ingredients today. Thank you, guys. I wasn't well prepared. I wasn't well organized preparing my... I'm a bit messy today, but I'm very thankful I was able to prepare this. I prepared a lot today. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Audrey. Back to Audrey. Here I am. I'm done with my salad for tonight dinner. My son-in-law went to buy cooked food for us, and this is our salad. We will be eating in maybe 30 minutes more or 1 hour. Thanks for watching, guys. Back to my salad. There you go. There is my salad. I love it. I'm so hungry now. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.